Hello, I gave you ideas on how I fill my junky junk book, but I didn't tell you the tools that I get from the Dollar Tree to play in my glue book. Stay tuned. If you want to use a composition book, the Dollar Tree has composition books. This one I did get from, I think from Staples, but my multicolored circle one I did get from the Dollar Tree, and I have it on my channel where I prepared it. You can also get the little tiny books from the Dollar Tree, and they come in a package of 3. And these have worked pretty well. I've stuffed and pushed paper into the spine, and it's still as good as new. So no pages have fallen out of it. And this one seems to be just fine. So you could get your composition books from the Dollar Tree if that's what you want to work in. And you also know you could get your glue. This is my favorite glue. So you could get that, and you could get your scissors. And they even have little detailing scissors. I have not yet tried these to see if there is comparable to other little scissors that I have these. I got these from Tuesday morning. But I don't know if they work well or not. But they do have these detailing scissors where you can fussy cut your images if you choose to. So you could get your composition book, your glue, and your scissors. And so you're ready to get started. You may have seen me use this and didn't probably know what it was. When you see me break out these little things, it's a chopping mat. And these chopping mats are 11 inches by 14. They come 2 per pack, and you could cut them down to use to glue on. When you're gluing down something, you could glue on top of the mat and not mess up your table or anything like that. Also, you've seen me in other things I paint and everything on these mats. I have a lot of them in there. I cut them down. So that's a good buy as well. Well, at the Dollar Tree, they have envelopes, little plastic envelopes. Some are more opaque, and then some are translucent, where you can see your images a little better. I'm using these for some other projects. And don't quote me, but I think they come in a pack of 2. No, I'm sure. They come in a pack of 2, so you will have one for your images and one for your sentiments. And then you could just store these away on a shelf out of your way when you're not working in your glue book. So you have plastic envelopes. I enjoy using these. You see, like I say, I have them for other projects. So, and also, you've seen me use my bone folder. But if you're not a paper crafter and you really didn't want to invest in bone folders because, they run $8 and above, I was trying to find something comparable to this. And I do have a larger one, which we know not back in the day. Remember when you put up wallpaper? When wallpaper was big, we used these. So that's probably where they got this from. This is a bigger bone folder that I use. But you don't need to go out and get all that if you just want to, glue in a glue book and you're not a paper crafter, where you need a bone folder to fold paper. So now I haven't tested this out yet. So this is untested, but they have putty knots to smooth down paper or magazine images. You can use a putty knife. Now I'm going to begin to use this a little bit more just to demonstrate, because usually I just use my hands to smooth down my images or to activate the glue. As I know, to activate the glue, but if you needed something, you can use this. This will even activate your glue and smooth down your images. So right there you have Oh, and they also have trash cans, little trash cans. So, because you know, when we're cutting and we're harvesting our images, you know, you need a trash can nearby so you can throw the little pieces in there. So right there, that is for under $10. Probably $8. I think it's about $8 right there. You could get started gluing. Less than $8, you could get started gluing and not break your bank. Alrighty, thank you so very much for watching, and I will talk to you later. Now, if you watch this to the end, this is a hidden giveaway where I will give everything but the trash can, the notebook, one envelope, a package of the, oh boy, now that would make it too big. I would have to cut it down, so sorry, because that would be too big to carry out. So I will take one out and just cut it down so it'll be the length of the composition book. So 8.5 by 11 chopping mat, but everything else will be brand new. The glue, the putty knife. Ooh, I can't guarantee. I can't guarantee because this may not be found again. I can't guarantee on that. But it definitely, the composition book, 8.5 by 11 chopping mat, because I'll cut this down, an envelope, glue, scissors. I'm not going to promise on the in a pair of scissors, right? So at least you'll get you started. Okay, thank you once again for stopping by. I will talk to you soon. Bye. The rules are you have to be 18 years and older, 18 years old and older, and be a subscriber to my channel. This is open internationally, but you have to see if you can receive mail from the United States, and you will have to pay all fees. Thank you and good luck.